Assalamu alaikum. We are again back with our channels, and now in the previous lecture we studied difference between vowels and consonants. So today we will move further, and today we will talk about diphthongs and triphthongs. So first of all, we should know what is diphthongs and triphthongs. Basically, in diphthong there are two vowels. And triphthongs there are three vowels. And sound shift from one vowel to another vowels. Okay, there is a shifting of sound from one vowel to another vowels, and because sound shifts, therefore these are called gliding vowels. So here I have given the list of the following words, and we will look over transcriptions and the exact word. For examples, I have told you that in diphthong there are two sounds. For example, the first one is combination of A and I. The sound will shift from A to I. So this is the word day. What is the word? Day. Sound is shifting from A to I. The next word is I. For example, in the word tie, it's tie. Sound is shifting from A to I. It's tie. The next one is toy. We usually call it toy or something like that. What the exact word is toy. T or sounds I. Toy. The next one is higher. Okay, the sound is shifting from I to schwa sound. Higher. It's higher. Look at the transcription. The R sound is missing. So basically in British English the R sound is missing. It is not pronounced in some words. For example, in British English we see that the word is car. We Pakistani speakers usually speak it car. When in British English it is omitted. They generally speak car sound. Where is my car? They don't call car. The next one is the combination of E and schwa sound mean here. The word is here. R sound is also silent there. U and schwa sound. The word is poor. It's not poor. It's poor. Okay. And these are three vowel sound, means there are three vowels in triphthongs. For example, the first one is A I plus schwa sound. I have written the example player. Player. Okay. It's player. The sound is shifting one vowel to another vowel. It's player. The next one is fire. We usually call it fire. No, it's fire. It's fire. Okay. The next one is royal. We usually call it royal. Okay. The transcription shows that this is royal. Okay. The next one is mower. Mower means a machine that we use actually for removing of grass, and very machine is called mower. It's mower. The next one is hour. We usually Punjabi speaker call it hour. It's not hour. It's hour. It's hour. So this is the difference between vowels and two vowel sounds and three vowel sounds. We call them diphthongs and we call them triphthongs. Three vowels are being used, two vowels are being used. So this is a slightly difference between diphthongs and triphthongs. Actually the sound shifts from one vowel to another vowel. Therefore we call them sliding vowels. These are called sliding vowels, means sound shifting from one vowel to another vowel. I hope so you got the lecture, and inshallah in the next lecture we will again come up with next topic. Allah Hafiz.